How to change Facebook location setting. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change Facebook location setting. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Facebook app with your account. Alright, so after you open the Facebook app with your account, you'll get such options. So from here, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner. Alright, so now from here, you'll have to scroll down and go with the option setting and privacy. Alright, tap on settings. Okay, so now from here, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the options like device permission. So it will under the section your activity. So simply tap on this device permission option. Alright, so now from here, you'll have to go the option location. So simply tap on this see info option. So now from here, you'll have to tap on update settings. Okay, tap on open device settings. Alright, so now from here, you'll have to tap on this permission option. Now from here, scroll down and go the option location. Okay, so now from here, you'll have to set the settings to allow only while using this app. Alright, so now from your back. Okay, so from here, you'll have to back on your home page. Alright, so now from here, you'll have to open your profile just at the top left corner. Okay, so from here, tap on edit profile. And now from here, you'll have to scroll down and go the section details. So from here, tap on current city or town. So simply tap on it. And now from here, scroll down and go the option add current city. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now in this hospital, you'll have to add your city here. Okay, so simply choose one. And now from here in the public section, you'll have to just tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to set only me. So simply tap on it. Okay, so after you done this, you'll have to just tap on the save option. Okay, so simply I'm skipping this. Alright, so now from here, you'll have to check in these options like lives in that current city. So simply I'm checking this. Alright, so now from here, tap on save. Alright, so I'm refreshing it. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully changed my Facebook location. So in this way, you can also change your Facebook location settings. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.